Networks. There's something every organisation depends on, yet very few truly see what's going on behind the scenes. But it's worth asking yourself, is your network helping your organisation perform at its best, or is it actually slowing you down? Problems like patchy Wi-Fi, aging cabling, slow connectivity, unreliable CCTV, or access control issues are often signs that your network can't keep up. Today, we're going to walk you through how to build a faster, stronger, and more reliable network, and how Simoda supports organisations from across the UK with modern and future-ready network services. Welcome back to Simoda Knows, the series where we simplify technology and help you make smarter decisions for your organisation. In this episode, we'll be exploring enterprise network services. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a modern high-performing network looks like and how upgrading yours can help transform your everyday operations. Let's begin by looking at why high-quality network services matter. Your network is the invisible backbone of your organisation. It powers your cloud apps, collaboration tools, communication systems, CCTV feeds, manufacturing equipment, door access, and everything in between. When that network is slow, outdated, or unreliable, you'll feel the impact immediately through interruptions, delays, downtimes, and reduced productivity. That is why we design networks which are built to deliver fast, secure, and stable connectivity across all types of environments. From your standard office hours right through to your demanding 24/7 operations. We help organisations modernise old infrastructure, improve site-wide performance, strengthen security, and build a foundation which is ready to support growth for years to come. Let's take a look at what we include in our network service offering to help build the highest level network. To start, we've got structured cabling. If the network is the invisible backbone of your organisation, then cabling is the physical backbone of your entire network. Our CNCI accredited engineers will design, install, maintain and repair high-quality cabling solutions, including Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a and fibre, using trusted vendors such as Ultima, Leviton and Excel. The result is a stable, high-performance infrastructure which you can rely on in the long term. Next is CCTV. We design and deploy complete surveillance systems using technology from Archivision, Axis and Verkada. Where you're refreshing an existing solution or rolling out a brand new deployment, we ensure full coverage, strong visibility and seamless integration into the wider network. Then we have door access and security. Using leading solutions such as Paxton Net 2 and Paxton 10, we install and support and secure access control systems that help you manage building entry safely and maintain compliance across your entire organisation. Wireless networking is another essential component. As specialists in HP Aruba and Cisco Meraki, we create fast, dependable Wi-Fi environments that deliver strong coverage, reliable performance, secure connectivity across large or multi-site operations. Finally, we support organisations with modern audio-visual solutions. Using tools from Yearlink, Logitech, Microsoft Teams and Promethean, we design and install everything from meeting room setups and digital signage to interactive teaching and collaboration spaces. This means clearer communication and a better experience for your teams. Every business faces different challenges and no two networks ever look the same. At Simoda, we design around your environment, your people and your requirements. You might be experiencing slow or inconsistent connectivity. You might have legacy cabling that simply can't keep up with the modern demands. You might be battling dead zones where the Wi-Fi just drops out entirely. You might have security blind spots or access control systems which simply aren't reliable. Or you could experience infrequent faults or downtime which is interrupting your business operations. And for many organisations, the biggest challenge is not having a clear plan for how to modernise or scale. Our role is to remove those barriers with a technology-first approach. This creates a network which is designed for performance, reliability and long-term value. When you work with Simoda, you get end-to-end support. This means everything from initial audits and design to installation, optimization, and ongoing care. Our engineers are fully accredited, our advice is transparent and grounded in real experiences, and our vendor partnerships ensure you get secure, scalable, high-quality solutions. We're also committed to sustainability, so we want to help modernise your workplace in a responsible and efficient way. The result is a people-first, future-ready network which helps support your goals rather than limit them. Now it's time to tackle the common questions that we get about network services. Which network connection type provides the highest data link speed? Fibre optic connections offer the highest speeds. Because they use light rather than electric signals, they provide incredibly fast, stable performance even over long distances. Fibre resists interference, making it the ideal choice for organisations that rely on high bandwidth, low latency and long-term scalability. How fast does data travel on fibre optic cables? Data in fibre travels close to the speed of light. In practical terms, this means that fibre delivers extremely fast, consistent performance across large sites or multi-building networks. Do I still need Cat6 cabling if my business uses Wi-Fi? Yes. Even the best wireless networks need a strong wired foundation. Cat6 or Cat6a cabling supports your wireless access points, helping deliver higher speeds and cope with heavy usage without dropouts. If your cabling is outdated, upgrade it is the most effective way to improve your wireless performance. What's the difference between Cat5 and Cat6 cabling? Cat6 cabling supports higher bandwidth and faster speeds compared to Cat5. Also better at reducing interference and is designed for modern demands like cloud services, voice systems, CCTV and AV equipment. Cat5 is now considered outdated and isn't used anymore for professional installations. Can I upgrade my network without disrupting my business? In most cases, absolutely. Our engineers will plan around your schedule and carry out structured cabling work in a way that minimises your downtime. We can also phase installation to keep your teams operating smoothly while improvements take place, where we're refreshing cabling, upgrading Wi-Fi, integrating CCTV or access control systems. Aging cabling, patching Wi-Fi or unreliable security systems should not be holding your organisation back. If you're ready to build a network that keeps pace with your business, talk to the network service experts at Simoda. Book your free network service site visit at www.simoda.co.uk/get-in-touch and take the first steps to build a faster, stronger and more reliable network. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time on Simoda Knows.